The moment everybody's been waiting for, at least everybody that owns a Packout, we got the drawer. Yes, the drawer is available. The single drawer rolling is available now, at least for pre-order. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. All right, so let's go ahead and start. So we got the Milwaukee Packout rolling drawer. This is 4822 8420. So that is the item number, or the SKU number. That is the toolbox right there. We can make it bigger. Well, what happened here? What happened here? I just lost you guys. I mean, this box. All right, so that is the box right there. It is gonna be just like a regular rolling toolbox, maybe a little teeny bit bigger, but it's much more convenient. A lot of us been waiting for this for the longest time ever. Now, this is a pre-order, guys. This is not, you guys are not gonna get this right away. You guys do have to wait until they release them, which is gonna be June the 7th. If you want to be one of the first ones to get this toolbox, well, this is the one. This is the deal for you. You have to pre-order it to be one of the first to get it. So yeah, again, this is gonna be a pre-order. That's the drawer right there. But it says collapsible handle, 19.75, most versatile dividers, quick one-handed opening, 250-pound capacity, anti-jam, whip holes, 9-inch all-terrain wheels, so the whole 9 yards. All right, so the price is, let me see here, it says pre-order delivery June the 7th. So it's not gonna ship until June the 7th. That is the release date. So if you want to be one of the first ones to get it that day, then that's what you have to do. You have to pay $249. Yes, it's not the cheapest, but a lot of us been waiting for this hack or this deal. It's not really a hack, but it's pretty much a drawer, so you don't have to take all your boxes from the top. That gets annoying after a while. Anyways, that's it for today. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of the video. It might be the affiliate link from the YouTube shopping cart. We do make a few dollars on that, maybe $1 or $2. And that's it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.